first of all is to strip out everything in the bay, including all the wiring, fuel pipes, brake servo, literally everything that you can see. Take all the front end off the car, front wings, front bumper, headlights, bonnet as well. All the subframes out, that's completely there in one piece. Front anti-roll bar was just separate. Obviously entire wiring loom. I've got all the brake pipes off, all the fuel pipes are down there now. So that's what we're left with under there. Manipulated, let's call it. Colours on. You ready to see this? Okay. All the priming is done. I've done the epoxy primer that I showed you before, and it's now got like a normal primer on top of that as well. It's all black under there. Everything that was like green yellow is now all black. It's now decent. It's now, you know, hopefully weatherproof at least. All the arms are on, the steering rack's on. And then I posted the engine loom, sorry, the wiring loom, electrical loom into there. And then got carried away and put all the fuse box back together. And we're measuring up the over fenders where it's really like straight and skinny, and I'll show you this one. And then there obviously it kicks out, just look what's underneath it, and as I said, somebody's already cut. Car all cleaned out, obviously first car in. Rear seats in there, front seats in. Obviously they're both for car was, but this is the fix. But now we need to really get rid of the paint, which is like a huge step. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this arch out, get this over fender on, and then we're gonna get the whole thing ready for primer. And got it all nicely set how I want it to. Pretty much done. It kind of looks weird obviously on camera because of the colours. Lightweight flywheel to go with it, and a paddle clutch. I think it's a stage 3 paddle clutch as well to go with.
Oh, we're all here.
I know. I'm only waiting for Simon to walk in. We've got a full house.
Well, it is fine to now.
Yeah, well, he was gonna.
Yeah.
Fuck you. Happy? I'm asking you.
Yeah. If you got pressure.
I've got fucking loads of pressure.
Ask you when you're fine, but you're not really fine.
Yeah, that, exactly that.
Just start it.
No. Turn it. Shh. Put it on.
Are you priming fuel pump?
Yeah, I can't even build the pressure. Oh yeah, I hear some. Could just be me. Yeah, it's fitting fuel up.
Where?
Down there. Doesn't sound like you feel the pressure up to me.
Oh, you mean the fuel's all over the floor?
Yeah, right there.
I heard a noise.
I think you're being paranoid.
Maybe, yeah. There you go.
You ready?
Yeah. It's no different, is it?
We're ready.
Take 5.
55.
Action!
I stopped them. It was no good.
Could it be?
Right then, as you saw in that last clip, it turns over quite well. It will not start. Little bit of diagnosis later, and I think I figured out why. I don't think the injectors are playing ball. I don't think they're doing what they want to do. So long story short, I've now done this. Strip the inlet back off, which, as anybody who's done it before knows, it's fun on one of these RBs. Fun's not the right word for it, is it? So I've stripped that all back off and diagnosed potentially three dead injectors that don't seem to be even doing any clicking on the solenoids, let alone any good injection pattern. So I'm off now to go pick some more up, bring them back, put it together, and see where we are when that dust settles. Wish me luck.